I've promised this particular video and I keep getting this on my live stream request. So in today's video, I'll share with you how you can set up your YouTube studio as a new person that is on YouTube, as a new beginner. Okay. I'll share with you how you can do it seamlessly. So before we say anything, I will just go right into my screen record and put it out here so that you can actually see before we say anything. Anyway, so I'm going to be using my Dede channel so that you guys can actually see. So this is actually a new channel. I think I've not even set up anything here. I don't know. But anyways, let me just show you guys exactly what you need to set up on your studio. So you have to go to the studio.youtube.com on your Chrome, as you guys can see up here, right? Now, once you go, you're going to be seeing this icon here. Okay, so let me go ahead and enlarge this particular icon. So you're going to be seeing this icon here like this. Now, when you see it, now you're going to be seeing the dollar sign. After the dollar sign, you go ahead and click on this other end here. If you have not verified your channel, click on the dollar sign. It will show you here that you have not verified. As you can see, Destiny has verified. That is why you're not seeing anything here. You understand? You will see do your two-step verification, you understand. So it is very important. Then you will see get started. You click on get started. Then here to show you apply now. Whenever you have completed your 4,000 watch hour and you 1,000 subscribers, automatically to show you to apply. Now the second thing you need to do is after the dollar sign here, there's a customization bell, which is this customization button. Go ahead and click on the customization button. Now if you click on the customization button, put a banner. A banner is very important. You understand? Put a banner. So this is Destiny's banner, and put a profile picture. And then here your YouTube name will actually appear here, as you guys can see. And then here your handle is going to appear, as you guys can see here. Here your description is going to appear. So if you want to put a lengthy description, feel free. But because it's Destiny channel, she just put I am Destiny, welcome to my channel, right? Now if you go down, this is what you need to do first. When you see this channel URL, go ahead and do what? And copy this channel URL. If you copy the channel URL, then go to this place. You're going to be seeing add link. Then click on add link. And here you're going to be typing subscribe in capital letter. So you're going to be typing subscribe in capital letter, okay? Subscribe in capital letter. Then go ahead and click on the enter URL. Paste the link there, okay? Now this will actually help new subscribers or people that have not even seen your channel. Maybe they just click your profile. Then it will actually help them to like subscribe to your channel. You understand? Now in this email end, if you don't have a mail yet, if you have not created a new mail that you can use for business, please do not put your YouTube channel mail here. So that's why I did not put Destiny YouTube channel mail. You understand? Now, if you have any other social media link that you actually want to add, maybe your TikTok, your Instagram, all of this link, go ahead and click on add link. Destiny don't have any of that right now. Okay, I think she have a TikTok, but the TikTok is on that other phone. It's not here. So I can't do it except I have that other phone. Copy the link and then click on add link, type TikTok, and then also paste the link exactly the way I did this one. Okay, now another important thing you should always do is your watermark. Now watermark is important because it will enable YouTube to know that okay, you are the one that upload this video. So if in case anybody go ahead to like upload your videos, like download your videos and upload, you understand. Now what you need to do on this watermark end is to go ahead and click on upload, and if you click on upload, automatically to take you to your YouTube this thing. So I'll just go ahead and use any watermark for Destiny right now. So you can pick the picture. If the picture is not appropriate, to tell you you should try it that the file is big. So YouTube need a moderate file. So I'll go ahead and click on upload again. Then I will choose a very simple file that I know that okay, I snapped with my phone. So this one that me and Destiny is here. So let's pick this one. It's still saying that it is large. So this is one thing that you are definitely going to experience in case you are looking for you're trying to upload your watermark. Okay, I think I have this screenshot here. So let's try this screenshot here and see if it will be okay, which is this screenshot. Remember, you can use anything for your watermark, right? So let's go ahead and try this. So you can see that this one actually work, and then go ahead and click on done. Okay, don't forget that you can change this at any time. So I'm going to be changing this later. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. I'll change it to her picture. I'll snap a picture of 1 MB and then upload it. Now if you choose it, go ahead and click on entire video. Very important, so that it can be on your entire, the watermark can be on your entire video. And mind you, this watermark is not going to be visible. Like not anybody that just click on channel will be seeing watermark. No, it's not going to be visible, right? Now once you are done, go ahead and click on what? Publish. So I'll go ahead and click on publish here. Okay, now I've published it, so you can see that this place is already set. You can play this video again over and over so that it can help you. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your home tab, which is still on the customization button. No, I didn't go anywhere. I just clicked on home tab. Now if you're new on YouTube, or if you have not even come here at all, this is how your home tab is going to be. It's going to be locked like this, right? So go ahead and turn this on. Now if you go ahead and turn this on, you're going to be seeing this section which is showing you add section. Go ahead and click on add section. If you click on add section, go ahead and do what, and choose what, channel trailer. Okay, now why you're choosing channel trailer is YouTube will actually showcase this to every single new person that is coming. Like this is like an advert that YouTube is going to be doing with your channel trailer video. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a video. So choose any appropriate video that you feel like it is okay for the channel. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and choose this Destiny's video. Okay, and don't forget that you can always change, like I said. Now go ahead and click on add section again, and go ahead and choose spotlight for subscribers. Now why you're choosing spotlight for subscribers is so that your subscribers can actually see which particular video you're putting out every single time. The mistake a lot of people do is once they choose just one spotlight for subscribers, they leave it for a long period of time. At least come to the YouTube studio and change it, even if it's every 3 months or every 6 months. Change it so that new videos can actually go viral. So that's why if you always check my channel spotlight for subscribers, you will notice that I change them at least every 3 months so that new videos can actually go viral, and it's really doing the job for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose another video. If you have all the names of your videos, you can just type it here. Okay, a day in my life. Okay, you can just type it here. Okay, so if you type it here, the videos are going to pop up. Okay, sorry, don't type from this other end. Search from your videos. This one is from people's videos. You can search from your videos. This one is from videos on your FYP. So please search from your videos. Go ahead and choose that particular one you want YouTube to use as well. Now go back again and click on add section. If you click on add section, go ahead and click on popular videos. Go ahead again and click on add section. Go ahead and click on what, single playlist. Okay, so you go ahead and choose single playlist. This is Destiny's playlist. Then click on add section again. Go ahead and choose multiple playlists. It is very important. So for multiple playlists, it will ask you to choose like 2 different playlists. You understand? So Destiny has 2 playlists, so I'll go ahead and choose her 2 playlists for her. Okay, so you go ahead here and click on done. Now if you click on it, go back again, click on add section. If you click on add section, go ahead and click on top community clips, and then go ahead again and click on add sections again, and then click on posts. Now, if you click on post, this is very important that every single post you are actually reposting, YouTube is going to be showcasing it to new viewers. You understand? And also your subscribers. Now, even if you don't have any settings in your channel, you see this particular setting is a setting that you should never joke with. Now, click on add sections again. If you click on add section, just click on subscription, click on add section again. One of the things we're trying to do here is to ensure we exhaust a lot of things here so that at the end of the day, YouTube can recommend our video. Now, if you check, most of these things that are here are already exhausted because she has not started doing live stream or upcoming live stream. I'm not going to be clicking on that. But if you've started doing live stream, so you go ahead to do the same. Now, go ahead and click on publish. Okay. So you go ahead and click on publish. Now, when you click on publish, it doesn't just end there, right? So you're going to scroll to this side, still on the icon line, okay? Zoom it like this so that you can see every single thing. Still on this icon line, go ahead and scroll down like this. You're going to be seeing the setting button here, exactly as you're seeing from my own end. Click on the setting button. If you click on the setting button, this is where you're going to be seeing what? General, channel, upload default, permission, community moderation, and then you're going to be seeing what, agreement. Now what are you going to do in your general setting? Just put it as dollar if the country you're staying, if dollar is higher than the country you're staying. Now go to your channel. Now if you go to your channel, I'll have to minimize this. Now it is very important that you choose your country. So here is the country, Nigeria. Let's not already choose Nigeria, right? So here's our country, Nigerian. These keywords, I don't think there is any need for you to put keywords, but if you want to put, fine. For me, I'll do a separate video on how you can generate keywords on each of your videos, because if you put a keyword, if you put one particular keywords here, this particular keyword is going to go with all of your videos, and that is what I'm trying to avoid. So my own end, to even on Vibe, I did not put any keywords here. I generate each keywords for each of my videos, and that's one of the most important and the best thing. Now go ahead and click on advanced setting. If you click on advanced settings here, they said is this video meant for kids? Go ahead and choose that your videos are not meant for kids. It is very important for you to choose that. But if your videos are meant for kids, go ahead and choose your videos are meant for kids. Don't put it on I want to review the settings every time. No, on every video. No, just do that. Now scroll and tick do not show potential inappropriate words. And now still go ahead and tick this allow viewers to clip my content in case your own is not tick, and then go ahead to click on what allow third party training. Now if you click on allow third party training, go ahead and choose all third party training. Now if you choose all third party training, now click on feature eligibilities to enable that all of this is what enabled. You can see that Destiny own is showing pending here because we did it yesterday, so we are still waiting for them to like confirm it for us. But ensure you also do it so that you know that your channel is in good shape. You understand? Now go ahead and click on what save. Now if you click on save, go back again to the setting button again. Okay, go back to the setting button. So if you click on the setting button again, allow this to load as well. Remember, we are done with channel. Now we're going to go to upload default. Okay, now if you go to upload default, please do not put any title here so that all of this title will not be reflecting on all your videos. Do not put any description here except the description that you want to put here, like the description, like all this kind of description, like okay, subscribe to my channel, this is my email for business, and so on. Those important info that you don't need to be typing over and over again, that is the only one you should put here on your description end, right? Go ahead and choose your visibility, put it on unlisted, so that whenever you're uploading your videos don't just go public immediately. You get what I'm trying to say? Now click on advanced setting. If you click on advanced setting as well, now YouTube standard license, leave it like that. Then video, go ahead and choose English. You can see that I've already choose English for her here. Okay, now if you choose English, now go to title and description as well, choose English, or you choose the language of your country, because I know that YouTube is embedding different languages now, so definitely YouTube is going to be embedding a lot, you understand? So go ahead and choose English. Where do I even drop this mic like this so that I can zoom it backward and scroll it very well? So as you guys can see, I have to zoom it backward so that I can choose very well. So now choose English. Now once you're done choosing English, ensure that your comment is on, and show how many viewers like my videos. This is going to be done in two ways. If you know that your viewers are always active in watching your video, like my Vibe with Sonia channel, go ahead and leave it on, show how many viewers like my videos. But if you know that you are still new, please untick this, and that's why I'm unticking it now in Destiny's end, because sometimes when viewers find out that you have just shorts, you have few likes, they don't just go ahead to like click your videos every single time to like watch, or sometimes it might just discourage them for watching. So you can just show how many viewers like, you can just untick this for a new channel. Right now it doesn't just end there. Go ahead and click on category. If you click on category, please, no matter the kind of videos you're uploading, even on this my Vibe with Sonia channel, what I do is I choose what how to unstyle. Choose how to unstyle. That is my recommendation for you, you understand? And then now go ahead and click on what save. Now if you go ahead and click on save, you are good to go. This is the simple settings on your YouTube studio that can actually help you as an individual out there. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and end this right now. So what I will do is I will show you how you can actually do like a copyright and every other video that I need to do on my YouTube studio, on the studio. I will show you in a separate video so that this is actually not going to be bulking. I don't want my videos to be too long. I want my videos to always be wrapped up on time, you understand? So but all of this, go ahead, replay this video in case you're missing out on anyone, so that you can know the exact YouTube studio settings to like set. Like this is the basic that you should do. Now I am not telling you that if you're doing this you're going to be going viral 100%, but no, that's not what I'm saying. But this is going to actually help you. Like this is going to actually help push out your videos. This is going to actually help YouTube also recommend your videos. This is also going to actually help you to also know the kind of content that you're bringing and how they can actually distribute it to your audience. So this YouTube studio setting is very important for every single individuals on YouTube. Ensure you do it, and trust me, you will not regret it. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't know what to do, how to do it, where to do it, this is where Vibesona personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. YouTube is just beyond creating content. I keep saying it. It is beyond creating content. It is There's a lot of work to be done behind the scene for you to see every single person having views out there. And that is why me and you do one-on-one to go to your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what can manage, what can add. With this mail that you're seeing here, 3195, that is displaying with this same flyer that is displaying on the screen, just check out our coaching session. Some persons personally tell me, Vibe Sooner, just come to my channel, just come and see what is happening, what is not happening. Just come and see if I'm even doing the right thing. You understand? And trust me, by the time I go, I see some of the things I will need to remove, we need to add. If there is any need for us to change niche, I advise you, I tell you the best strategies for us to use to navigate, and we'll be getting results. We'll be monetizing. You've been seeing it. I've been posting it on my community, right? Anyways, make your choice today and thank me later. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.